What a day today! It's gonna be winter, and it's gonna be the first winter of this year. Sold this Jordan Superfly 2017. So this is Jordan Superfly 2017. We got this for $39.97 with the additional 30% discount. Also sold this Women's React Element 55. Colorway is the black and white and red. We sold it for $65.59. Next one, we also sold the Zoom Pegasus Turbo Turbo 2. Retail on this one is $180, and we sold this for $108. Check out this one. Looks like someone came here and do some shopping and they leave their shoes behind. As you can see there is kind of dirty shoes. Some Nike Presto or something. React, and they left it behind. Probably they bought something here like the boots. For today, I have this very comfortable dark boots, and it's very good for rainy season and winter. Another one was sold on eBay is that one right there. I need to get this wrapper so I could wrap this one so make it more presentable to the buyer, because this one is a little bit more expensive. And you wonder, this is the Tommy Bahamas American Golfer bag, and the retail value on this one is $850. They were on sale for $399, and we bought this for somewhere around $99, I think, and we sold this one for $300. So that is almost $200 return of profit on those. So I was kind of surprised when I got this one sneakers app. When I received that notification, I immediately got in there. I saw, I hope I could get me my pair, and luckily I got my size 10.5. What is our thoughts on this Air Jordan bands? And the retail on this one is $115, and the size is 10.5. It's my size. Pop that open. Boom. Wow. Okay. Ooh. Huh. Good smell. This is my first time to see on hand bread colorway, because I don't have that one in my collection yet. This is the Jordan 1 mid band colorway. If we are looking into the price of the Jordan 1 that released to 2016, they are way above 400 or something, and the one that released 2011 was somewhere around 2000. Wow, I'm happy because I don't have to spend 700 or 2000 for a pair of highs that I'm still lucky that I have get them in mid. What I could say about this on hand, that I could not compare it to the ones that mainly the same on the sole, which is comes with the red outsole and the midsole with the white lining. Comparing it to the highs, the black here It's almost just the same. Toe box all the way to the mid. In this part, it's almost just the same. Black toe box, top toe box, red, somewhere here in the eyelets. Supposed to be, this one's supposed to be black. The highs is same on this part. It's almost just like the same. So for me, I would rather have this one and not spending 700 for the release of 2016, and the one that released on 2011 is somewhere around 2000. Why would I spend on that much of shoe if I could get me one of these? How good they are. The quality is just the quality of the leather. It is kind of smooth. Toe box, upper toe box, it's different leather compared to here and this toe box part here all the way to the middle. The back, it's almost just the same on this part. Still a nice quality wings right there. Also, it feels good on the paddings. Comes with the Jordan Air on the tongue. That's it. It's just mid, lower quality of leather, but still a good quality sneaker that you get what you paid for, $115. Still not bad because I'm not paying a 700 or 2000. So what do you think on this one? If you got a chance, would you like to cop them? I would love to hear that. Please leave a comment down below. This is my thought. How good is this Jordan 1 mid band? And with that said, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.